For making coconut milk vegetable rice, first I am going to add onion, add garam masala, first tej pata, lavang, green elaichi, star anise, dalchini and shahjeera. Add some green chilies. Add ginger garlic paste. Add tomato puree. Add haldi, garam masala, red chili powder, mint and coriander. Add carrot, beans, potato. Add basmati rice 2 cups. Add coconut milk. Add salt, pinch of sugar. Add a spoon of ghee. Add little lemon juice. Keep it. Wait for 3 whistles and switch off. Once the pressure is gone, open the lid. Now let's serve. So here the coconut milk vegetable masala pulao or masala rice is ready, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to Anagha Recipes. Thank you.